Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about acting goodness. Why you need to be good. This is the holy month of Ramadan. You know, let's say if you missed a few days of fasting already, it's never too late to get back on that horse. You know, if you missed a few days here and there, you know, just say, look, from this point on, I'm going to try to be better. We can't just assume that just because we've fallen off the horse, you know, let's say we missed a day, or let's say we woke up too late, we're exhausted, we woke up late, well, oh, what time is it? And you see the sun's up, and you're like, damn, it's too late already, you know? Or you sometimes get into your old habits and you start eating. You know, it's never too late to get back on the horse. This is Ramadan, the holy month, the special month, the most precious, perfect month of the year. So I'm calling all you guys, it's never too late to get back on the train of Ramadan. We've only got 30 days to make things good. We've only got 30 days to take advantage of the special time. So remember, even if you fall off the horse somehow, even if you lose your way, remember, you're abdul. Get back on the horse of Ramadan and forgive yourself. Don't beat yourself up, because it happens to the best of us. We are only human after all. So thanks for watching. Remember your abdul and come to goodness. Come to goodness.